In today's video, I will show you 3 ways that you can fix Mac apps not opening and not working or even crashing. Now, as you can see, I am on my main page right here, and the first one will be to click on Command and Spacebar, which will bring up your search function right here. So what we want to do is search for storage. Now, once we search for storage, click on this right here. That will then bring you over to this page, and then it will open this up right here. Now, as you can see, it will show, available storage on your device. And if this is, really clogged up, what we will need to do is head into our applications and get rid of some of our applications or apps in order to free up some space, because if it is fully clogged up, it will not allow applications to open and function correctly. Now, 2 other ways that we can do is if we come on to our main page right here, and then we go to the top left hand corner to our Apple icon, click on System Settings, and then that will then bring up this page right here. Now, what I want to do is head over to the left hand side bar here, click on General, and then what you want to do then is click on Software Update. Once we click on Software Update, what we need to do is make sure that our software is on the latest update. As you can see, your Mac is up to date. So if it says this for you, that will mean that you are good to go to try the next step if this doesn't work. Now, last but not least, if we are trying to open a App Store app and it's not working correctly, what we can do is head down to our dock and locate our App Store. Open this up right here, and then as you can see on the left hand side bar here, you will probably be on Discover, but what you want to do is scroll all the way down to where it says Updates, click on Updates, and then it will show you all of the apps that need updates in this section right here. Now, what you want to do is make sure they are on the latest update, and then once they are on the latest update, that should mean that that application should then work correctly if your system and the app is up to date. Now, that is 3 ways that you will be able to fix apps on your Mac not opening and working correctly. So if this video did help you out, guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.